Good morning everyone, and guess who's back to YouTube? And yeah, this is me, Andre, and I'm officially returning back to YouTube. Yes, I know I have mentioned this before and I never did. In fact, there are so many things happening in my life at the moment, and there is a big news as well. I have resigned from Bounce Trampoline Gym in Tower Mall, and I will be no longer representing the company in the next months. Therefore, there's going to be a bit of a switch in the content of the channel, and it's going to be entirely based around fitness, entirely based around workout, exploring places, being the best version of yourself, and I am sure you're gonna like it. And in today's episode, I'm heading now to a session with my clients. After this, I'm going for a jet ski, and then God knows what other plans I might fit in today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for unsubscribing and still following me within all of this period of me being inconsistent with posting videos. It means a lot to me, and thank you so much. I'm really inspired at the moment, and I wish to share this inspiration with you through the videos. First of all, I would love to show you the tree of my clients and the garden of my clients. So beautiful. Every morning when I see it, I'm so excited. Also, cats are always waiting for me. Hello, cats. Hello, cats. I just finished the session with my clients. Do let me know, guys, if you are actually interested in watching videos of me training people. Do you want to see somebody else's workout, or do you want to be in the video of a workout which I'll post on Instagram or YouTube? Time to go buy some water, and I'm on my way to Katara to do jet ski. All right, Dimitri, good morning.
Good morning.
What's the most important rule before going into the water?
Protection, sun protection.
Yes.
And winter time.
Winter time, yeah. Putting some coats on. The jet ski is about to go in the water. Beautiful morning here in Katara. And we're gonna do the surfboard. Where is the surfboard?
Okay. Opa!
Here we go. This is the one. Look at this boat as well. That's it, we have finished our surfboarding session. Back to the station again. Now it's time to have some chapati. Hope you enjoyed the videos.
That's why I like her. Couldn't treat her like a hood rat. Didn't fight her. Turn a church girl to a straight.
I messed up the settings a little bit. I'm filming on my iPhone. This is the first time I'm filming on an iPhone, by the way. My GoPro is inside the car. I don't know what resolution is gonna happen in the end, because GoPro is filming in 4K. This footage is filming in 4K, but probably the previous footage where I was doing the surfboard was in 1080. So let's see what's gonna happen. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, I'm home. It's time to eat, edit the video, and then Dimitri is coming for a workout and we're gonna do a very nice complex. And I'm gonna record this complex, and this is going to be my next YouTube video. Again, welcome back to vlogging with me. I'm super excited to do this. I'm super proud of myself to start my channel again. And I'm super proud of you guys. If you do really watch those videos, it means a lot to me. Take care of yourself.